Hi guys, welcome back to Colette's Vlog. So, nandito tayo para mag-unboxing and a quick review. So, nakita nyo kanina sa initial video clip, this is regarding a Nike apparel. It's a backpack, 32 liters, which is the Nike Elite. So, tara, buksan natin. Okay guys, buksan natin and technically ito'y pinadala ng Aramex. Ito yung parang courier in partnership with Nike, especially in Nike Malaysia. So buksan natin. Nice. So, to be exact, ito yung tinatawag na Nike Hoops Elite Backpack. Technically, ang kanyang kumbaga colorway is white, black, and gold. If you will notice, para siyang pinartnership with yung recent din ng release ng Nike when it comes to slides and sandals nila. Like ito yon. Tapos, yung pinaka-recent na release last December of 2023 yung Jordan 11 Gratitude. Pero, buksan natin. So, just to give you an idea, ang SRP neto in ringgit is, I believe, 359 ringgit. So, times nyo na lang sa 12 pesos. That's the equivalent pagdating sa Philippine peso. So, ito siya guys. Simple lang naman yung packaging niya kasi nung dumating siya rito is naka-box, tas a pure, you know, white plastic cover. So, ito siya. Actually, first time kong mag-purchase ng backpack sa kanila. Siguro, it just so happen, gusto ko eterno sa Jordan 11 Gratitude na nakita naman natin yung colorway na nirelease nila, which is white, black, and with a dab ng gold. So, ito siya. Yun naman, I can say maganda naman yung quality niya. And maganda rin yung shoulder strap niya. So, maya-maya papakita ko sa inyo yung mga different compartment niya. Okay guys, so ito siya. Again, like what I mentioned, this is 32 liters. Kung titignan ko, technically, parang halos pareho siya ng Thule backpack ko. Although yung Thule ko is 25 liters lang. And ito, like what I mentioned, it's 32. So, buksan muna natin dito yung mga different compartments niya. So, ito yun. And I kinda like it kasi maganda yung pagka-dab ng gold niya. Very minimalist yung dab ng gold. Pero maganda yung ano niya, yung combination ng color. So ito yon yung parang pinaka-badge ng Elite logo ng Nike. Tapos ito yung first compartment. So far maganda siya. Tapos merong parang net. So I think ito yung isa sa mga talagang main niya. Tapos dito rin merong portion na you can put your accessories. That's one. Tapos dito naman I think, ito. I think, ito yung side pocket na to, pwede rin maging lalagyanan ng, kunyari, either sandals mo, which is yun nga, pinartner doon sa, ano rin, white, gold, and black na sandals. Which is talagang magandang combination. Pero sadly guys, hindi ko pinurchase muna yun eh. Kasi walang size ko. Ayan. Tapos another one, ito naman, parang pocket for your drinks. May parang 2 layers siya. First, taka dito. So, maganda. And then, dito naman is, let's see. I think parang ano to, lalagyanan ng mga, kunyari, yung mga wallet and everything. Medyo malalim din siya. Tsaka maganda yung kanyang ano, texture o yung material. So yeah, parang lalagyanan ng mga wallet o mobile phone, sunglasses. So you name it. Tapos, ito naman yung isa pa. I think this is also the main or in malalim siya guys. Ayan o. Tingnan natin. So, meron din siya rito nilagyanan. May compartment na net. Maybe mga talagang valuable things mo. Power bank. Yung mga ganung bagay. So, technically, ito, malalim siya. So later, titingnan natin yung how to, kumbaga paggagamitin mo and let's say, siksikan natin ng mga gamit. And yeah, more or less tama, 32 liters. And tamang-tamang pang travel. Kumbaga, kunyari aalis ka and maybe 1 to 2 days max. Kayang-kaya yung mga gamit mo rito. Ayan. So, mamaya, I'll wear it and let's see. So, ayan guys. Minax out ko yung pinaka-backpack itself. So, kung titingnan ko siya, yeah, more or less, it's indeed 32 liters yung kanyang capacity. And as you can see here, ayan, may water bottle, standard 320 ml to 500 ml water bottle. Tapos ito guys, sabi ko sa shoulder strap. So far, it has a good quality. Ayan. Tapos meron naka para sa naka total grip sa chest mo rin. Tapos ito, actually first time sa akin to. Kumbaga if you can see it, medyo may siya, pump or kumbaga sa Air Max, merong bubble air sole. And then there's you can see here the word Elite. And guys, maraming klaseng Nike Hoops Elite. So ito yung parang sabi ko nga, white, black, and gold series. And mamaya, tingnan mo kung ipapattern natin sa release ng Jordan 11, which is talagang bagay na bagay siya. And given, kunyari, meron ka pa yung sandals niya. Ayan guys, so if you will see, nag-match talaga yung color combination niya along with the Jordan 11 Gratitude. So, sayang guys kasi wala yung size ng sandals, which is maganda rin siya. Imagine yung color combination. So, talagang it fits. Kahit ako na-appreciate ko yung ganda niya. So, ang next is, suotin ko yung backpack. So, you will have the, kumbaga, itsura niya while you're wearing it. So, ayan. Bagay na bagay guys. Good combination. Okay, guys, so I hope nagustuhan niyo yung simple backpack review ng Nike Hoops Elite. Again, this is the colorway white, black, and gold, which is it was matched doon sa recent release ng Jordan 11 Gratitude. So without further ado, kung nakaabot kayo dito, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and if you want to be notified for future incoming videos just like this one sa Colette's vlog. And also, if you have any question or suggestions, you can comment down below. And also, you can watch this in partnership with KCM Videos, the official Facebook page. And then, makikita nyo rin tong review ito. Thank you very much. You do have a great day. Maraming salamat. Sa susunod ulit na video. Have a great day. Bye.